Mheshimiwa Joash.
Yes, ma'am.
Kwa igule omuntu gwake simyogo tebanga oboke nyumba. Osobo inche nigo bolime yagesima. No yondo tebirenga mbabwate omuchando bwa machime yagesima. Tima itibona ekware ko balibaga gusikware kwanyora libaga nga kwabero mu MCA. Nchira kikware ko ene kingo muchando bwa machi turi guchikogendera guchanda bagesima.
Madam, thank you very much. And that's a very good concern. Esima ya koleru allocations.
Yes.
More than 3 times. Eji borehole. Lakini yakero kurualia allocations are done.
Right.
Including World Bank. Lakini ground simambi.
Right.
This is the moment you are done with corruption yamira. Gesimera abe ekomeka.
Right.
So abantu bako represent abana inchi kurwazi chiward abo bwate problems.
Right.
Kirinde kero tokona okole binte biga. Ndoda geteno nyene lichikoli chechenjiwe. That on the bwenzi okonyolekana kabwat an element of corruption.
Right.
Umuntu nabonete oba bad for buying an elective seat.
Right.
Nainde osibwa onyora igesusuro. Kiagara abantu baito bakuiba ekero bayibire like na Nyamira county. Corruption nere ire baite priority.
Right.
Chibese chiri bayiba na chibakanda bachikohongana either Senate or the court. Nande bairana.
Right.